Yeah, come on in, Brandon. Get you some hot chocolate. I'll make you some hot chocolate before it's all said and done. Just to prove how cold we are, to look at our temperature change from just yesterday, okay? This map represents how many degrees we've dropped from this point now compared to this exact time yesterday. We're down 35 degrees in Bluefield. We've dropped 38 in Beckley. So anywhere from a 30 to 40 degree difference is what we're already experiencing. And we haven't even hit our low temperatures yet. The highs, get this, okay? The highs for today occurred actually last night at around midnight. Most of us have been in the 40s and 50s. We were there at around midnight. That's when the high was recorded. And that Arctic air just kept surging in and temperatures continued to drop. Most of us, again, have been in the teens and 20s over the past few hours. So those low temperatures actually represent the numbers that we've seen so far. We're going to continue to drop a little bit more, and we've still got some flakes flying around on the camera too. If we look at our Beckley camera, you can still see a little bit of coverings on the roads. Here's the thing, we're so cold that any little bit else that falls won't have much of a problem sticking. And if we do have that water from last night's rain, you may have noticed that some roads have just been wet for most of the day, or they've been properly salted. Well, salt doesn't work at certain low temperatures, and tonight we could challenge that. There could definitely be some black ice early tomorrow morning from some of that water just flash freezing overnight tonight. Again, as far as snow is concerned, we've still got a lot of, at least a little bit of moisture really over our area. A lot of cloud cover is what I was trying to say, but not a whole lot of snow left to go around. We will see these occasional showers and flurries through the night, but most of these snow showers, most of the moisture has moved off with the cold front to shore. Anything else we see, most models are hinting at max another ½ inch or so. It's just going to be several tenths of an inch or less when we're talking about additional accumulation. And overnight tonight, those snow showers will gradually wane down. We should have more sun by tomorrow, but again, we're just going to be frigid. This northwesterly wind is continuing to blow. We could still have gusts over the next few hours at least, 25 to 30 to 40 miles an hour across the high terrain. And that's going to make it feel colder than it is. Here are our current temperatures right now, teens and 20s, and it's going to continue to drop. Be careful. As I was mentioning earlier, black ice will be a concern early tomorrow morning. A lot of times you cannot see it. The road's going to look okay to the naked eye, but that layer of ice is so thin that it's very, very hard to spot. So it actually could be more transparent, and you need to bundle up too. Always dress for the wind chills. There's a reason why we talk about wind chill. That wind is removing heat from your body. It's literally blowing the heat away from you. So feel like temperatures are very important. We've already got some single digits, even some negatives. Burke's Garden feeling like we're at -2 degrees, and we could have some places get around or below zero through the evening and into early tomorrow morning, especially the highest terrain up in western Greenbrier, Pocahontas counties. Wind chill advisory is actually in effect for those high spots. Wind chills 10 to 15 below zero will not be out of the question over the next few hours or through early tomorrow. Again, to recap, frigid tonight, but gradually drying. The winds calm down tomorrow and the sun comes out, but look at the highs. We're only in the 30s, and this chilly air mass is here to stick around. We're going to warm back up into the 40s at least, but that's still below normal. Pretty quiet though through the end of the week.
Like you said, you were telling Brandon, come in for the hot chocolate. Get on in here, get your Snuggie, get your hot chocolate, your tea, warm up. It is cold outside.
It is freezing. Below freezing, to be taken.
Yeah, below freezing. All right. Well, thank you, Kath.